Hey everyone, I'm just doing a quick close video for the Azure Master Class, so it's all finished now. If you go to the playlist, they're all in order, starting from the introduction down through all the way to our infrastructure as code. I did write the course designed to watch them in order, but if you know something really well, you could absolutely just skip it. A key thing I did want to point out, because some people kind of mailed, go to the GitHub repo. It's linked in the comments of every single video. But in the GitHub repo, what we'll actually see is there's a folder for every single part. So we go from kind of 1 down to 10, 11. In each of those folders, you'll see at minimum the handout that was the slides, the whiteboard, and then any other kind of artifacts I may have used as part of it. And that's going to vary depending on exactly which part. For example, the DevOps had a lot of subfolders with the PowerShell, the templates, the bicep, the GitHub actions. It kind of showed all of those different things. But this is where you can go to get all the materials. If you're using Git, you can actually go and clone it. So you could do the get clone and then that URL. Or you can just do download zip, and then you'll get a zip file with everything in the repo in it that you can then go and use in your own environments. So everything's there. I would say to stay up to date, make sure you do kind of subscribe and hit the little bell icon. I do the weekly update where it's all the new features. In that Git, in the main README file, remember, there's also supplementals. If you actually scroll down, I list each of the modules and I actually link to, yes, the main video, but then a bunch of other videos I've created in the past that maybe go into more detail about certain aspects. So if you want to dive into more areas, you can go and look at the extra videos to really kind of complete the all-up masterclass. The base masterclass is about 19 hours of content. Yeah, so there's a lot there, and there's just more stuff if you want it. So I do hope you enjoyed the masterclass. Please post questions in the comments of each of the particular modules. I do watch them, and I'll try and answer it. But I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.